It's important to have an organizational system in place before you begin this course. Most of the work that you do in this course will be done using Google applications. So what I would suggest is navigating to the Google Drive account associated with your SJVHS email. Then what you're going to do is use the New button to create a folder for this class.
Can I have your attention, please?
Click Create. You'll see your new folder is created. Inside that folder, I would create a subfolder. Again, you'll press New and Folder. I would just call it Unit 1, Create. So any work you do with Unit 1, you should save directly in the Unit 1 folder. Whenever we begin a new unit, you'll see a new module appear in Canvas. That's your signal to create a unit folder in your Google Drive. Most of the documents I give you will be digital, so take a look at your pre-reading assignment in Canvas today. When you click on it, notice that it's going to force you to copy. This way you can't make any annotations on my original speech. Click Make a Copy. And then once that copy loads, I would automatically file it in the proper place in your Google Drive. All right, you'll do that by clicking File, Move. You'll also notice once the page is fully loaded, that little move icon appears in the upper left-hand corner. When you click that button, it's going to load all of the folders you have in your Google Drive. Navigate to the folder you just created, press the arrow, and again, you want to put this in Unit 1, and choose Move here. Whenever you copy a document from my Canvas, you should automatically file it in the correct folder. This will keep you organized and give you a great head start in the class. If you have any questions, please let me know.